The Triumph Speed 400, a modern classic with British heritage and sharp engineering. It's built to deliver performance and style in one clean package. And right at the center of that ride experience sits the digital console. We bring you the Spartan Shield Premium Screen Protector, made precisely for your Triumph. Start with the alcohol wipe from the kit to clean off dust, fingerprints, and riding residue from the display. Next, use the microfiber cloth to dry it thoroughly, leaving no streaks. Now peel off the backing layer from the protector and hold it by the edges. Now, lightly spray the provided application liquid onto the adhesive side of the protector. This helps it glide smoothly on the screen, makes alignment easier, and prevents air bubbles. Be careful not to overspray. A light mist is enough for a perfect fit. Carefully align it with the Speed 400's console and press from the center outward as the adhesive settles naturally. Use the included squeegee to remove any air bubbles and secure the fit.
Together we'll rise, 'cause of troubles.
Lastly, peel off only the edge sticker from the TPU protective layer. Do not remove the TPU film itself. Your Triumph Speed 400's display is now crystal clear, scratch resistant, and protected for every ride ahead.
Show me you